Hello, my name is Krtika Zutshi and today I will be talking about mental health and our workplace. Our work is a huge part of our life and the ability to work is a crucial aspect of our mental health because it is what allows us to feel productive and have a feeling of achievement during the day. Now the need for this discussion emerges because of the increasing issues people have during the 9 to 5 hours in the day, which impacts their physical, emotional, and psychological well-being. People who are already dealing with mental health problems are affected by stressors at work, which can be triggers for their relapse, and stressors can originate at work and lead to the development of mental health issues. Now, there are many causes at the individual level and at the environment level that can lead to mental health problems in employees. The first being the bullying. Bullying or mobbing is a form of ridicule, mockery, humiliation, unjust criticism, and forced isolation, to name a few. This part of the workplace interaction is often very subtle, almost unnoticeable by other people. It includes loss of interest in work, it crushes our self-esteem, and the work may start seeming dreadful. Another cause for hampering our mental health is the ambiguous roles for work, which create flawed expectations among the employees, and employees tend to work without direction. Therefore, they yield unexpected results that can cause stress and other mental health problems. Another cause is the low job decision latitude. Now, this is the control that employees seem to have on their work. This contributes to being a major stressor at work. In some theories, control itself is thought to alleviate the negative effects of stress because if people perceive the stressor to be in their control, they do not feel helpless and thus may also start seeing the stressor as being in their control and therefore make amends to do something about it. Another cause for hampering our mental health at workplace is the workload. As we all know, immense workload can lead to burnout, and often we have seen that the organization's inability to fill vacancies can lead to an overburdening of the employees that are already there. Now, what do we do? How do we deal with these workplace stress? One thing that we all must do is identify the source and talk about it. If we do not communicate, we cannot resolve the stressor. Individual level strategies can include practicing meditations or mindfulness or understanding how much of the problem is actually in our boundary of control so that we identify our boundaries and do not end up feeling helpless for not being able to do anything about it. The next thing that we can do is take care of ourselves, sleep, our diet, stay hydrated, exercise regularly to create a bandwidth in our minds so as to deal with these stresses adaptively. At workplace, try scheduling the day as much as possible by organizing the day and your surroundings as well to make it clean and tidy and make realistic goals for each day during the start of the day. Allocate designated times for breaks where you can walk, get in touch with nature, talk to significant others or just have a me time. Also, it will be extremely helpful to identify what part of the workplace is the source of stress so that planning specific coping strategies can be done. Creating and implementing boundaries with work is another way, since we all know that work is a part of our life and as essential as other domains of our life. So be assertive. Take a stand whenever necessary. Because working our full potential, it requires focus of mind. So try making amends to reach that focus and flow. And to conclude, the aim is not to have a stress-free life. The stress will be present across all ages as we already know. Better and more effective coping mechanisms is what is in our control and what we actually need during these unpredictable times. Thank you.